welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to talk about the new K-Beauty launch. So Katrina and Team Nykaa have just recently launched eyeshadow sticks. Now there are two forms of these eyeshadow sticks. We have the matte time eyeshadow sticks. So these are all matte. And then we have the Metal Show metallic eyeshadow sticks. And you can also create looks using both of them. So you can create like a dual tone metallic eye look using both the eyeshadow sticks. So the eyeshadow stick comes in this stick packaging, and unlike the matte lip pencils that we saw, which had the twist and open feature, which I thought was really nice, this one comes with a sharpener, so you have to sharpen this every time to get that sharp edge. These pencils are priced at Rs. 5.99 each, and the packaging also corresponds to the color that you get, so I think that's quite helpful, and you can like quickly find out the shade that you need to use. Let's start with the matte eyeshadows first. We have 8 of them, and the first one is called Glory. Now this one is a very soft taupe color, and these are extremely buttery, and as you can see on my arm and on my eyes, it just blends and applies and glides on very easily. Now these matte eyeshadows are also very soft, so they are easy to blend. You can just use your fingers to blend it and it is going to just stay there. The matte eyeshadows, however, are not water resistant. They will resist water to an extent, but if you rub it, it is going to completely dissolve. So the next one is called Plush, and Plush again is actually one of my favorite shades from the matte eyeshadow stick range. Again, very soft, very easy to apply, and it is this soft pink color that just adds this beautiful warm tone onto your eyes. You can use any of the metallic, warm metallic shades with Plush, and you're gonna get a really nice look with just using the 2 of them. I would recommend any of the rose gold shade with this. So for example, Bare Metal and Plush together will give you this beautiful everyday sort of look. The next 3 shades are actually very similar to each other. We have Revel, Splendid, and Indulge. 3 of them are matte browns, and depending on your skin tone, you can pick up the darkest being Indulge, and the medium one being Splendid, and Revel being the lightest one. Again, very easy to apply, and this is how it looks on my eyes. The next shade we have is Enigma. This is the darkest brown in the matte range, and since it comes in a pencil form, it is very easy to apply. You can use this to create depth onto your eyes, and then go ahead and use any metallic eyeshadow that you have, or create just a matte look. Because it's so easy to apply, you don't need like an eyeshadow brush. You can just use your finger, and it's also very easy to travel with. Next we have Bliss. Now Bliss is almost my skin tone, so I think this is going to work better on lighter skin tone, but if you have darker skin tone, this can only be used as a base for your eyeshadow. Otherwise it's not going to show up. And last but not the least is actually one of my favorite ones from the matte range. This is called Desire, and this is a soft black, and it is a really good black to have as a base for smoky eyes. It blends really easily. It's very easy to apply because it's in a pencil form. So if you are a newbie and are scared of doing like a full-on smoky glam, this is a great product to have, and you can even apply this onto your waterline. So those were all of the matte eyeshadow sticks. Let's move on to the metallic ones. The first one is Bare Metal, and I think this is one of my favorites, and like I said, you can pair this with Plush matte eyeshadow, and both of them together will give this beautiful warm everyday sort of look. It is this nice warm rose gold color on my skin. Next we have GLAM Grey, and this is a much deeper brownish gray. Comes with this flecks of warm brown glitter, and again it blends really easily. You can use your fingers to blend it. You can use this as its own to create a nice smoky look. Next we have Fortune, and Fortune again is this beautiful bronze. If you are a fan of bronzy eyeshadows, and if you love wearing these soft muted brown metallic look on your eyes, this is a great eyeshadow stick stick to begin with. I think it'll be great for beginners and people who like to do like soft makeup on an everyday basis without worrying about like blending it and like taking too much time about doing your eyeshadow. This bronze shade again would look nice on every skin tone. Again, you can just use this to create a smoky eye look. Pair this with any of the soft brown matte eyeshadow sticks and you will get a complete look. Next, we have one of my favorite shades. This is called Blushed Moonlight, and it's this beautiful pink with golden glitter in it, and once you blend it, it just looks so nice and warm. I think for a daytime look, this would be so beautiful. Again, would look really nice on almost all skin tones, and it's just a beautiful color. I really liked it the first time I swatched it. Next, we have Special Effects. Now this is again a deeper rose gold, very bronzy. I would also recommend Special Effects for like an everyday sort of look, depending on what kind of bronze look you like. This is more champagne-y and it's lighter than the previous one that I showed, which was Fortune. Again, something that you could pair with a matte brown eyeshadow or wear just on its own. Just scribble a little bit onto your eyelids and blend it, and that's it, you're done. Next, we have Temptation, and the color really pleasantly surprised me. I think again this is one of my favorite colors from the range. I love the reddish tone with like a golden undertone, like really nice pink flecks of glitter. Almost looks like a reddish maroon. Beautiful shade, and I think this would look really nice when paired with like traditional wear. If you're wearing like this nice like deep lehenga, you can wear your eyes in the same shade. You can create like monochrome looks using this. Again, like warm burgundy tones are my favorite during the winter months. That's when you can like just go bolder on your colors and your eyes, and so this would look really nice for that. Next, we have Amethyst, again a beautiful deep purple. I really liked this color too. I am a fan of warm burgundies and warm tones. So this is a deep shade of purple, almost looks black, but when you turn around, when the light catches it, it hits the purple glitter, and it's just a beautiful dual tone sort of metallic color. The next shade is called Highborn, and I really like this shade. At first, when I looked at the packaging, I wasn't really a fan, but then I swatched it, and it's this beautiful olive color with golden glitter in it, and I think it just looks so nice on Indian skin tone, like this greenish olive color, and you pair it with any lipstick that you wear on an everyday basis, and just this color alone smudged all of your eyes with just a pencil is going to look so nice. The next two colors that are going to come are actually my favorites, like my top two from the range. First, we have Jaded Glow, and it's this beautiful jade color, very deep and beautiful, this jewel toned green, which I think looks really nice on my skin tone, and I believe would look nice on most Indian skin tone. You could wear this with traditional wear, and you could just wear it just underneath your eyes to give that pop of color. You could, like, since it's in a pencil form and it's so soft, you can even create like a winged eyeliner, a colored winged eyeliner using this. And the next eyeshadow stick is something that I am wearing on my eyes. If you've been wondering, this is the one that I'm wearing. This is called Navigator, and of course this one is my favorite shade from the range. It's this deep navy blue, hence the name. And this is what it looks like. I have it on my eyes right now. It was very easy to blend, and when you blend it, the color kind of lightens a bit, so don't worry. You can just go ahead and apply a little bit more and then just deepen it up. As you can see, I have blended it up there, so it has lightened up a little bit. So it'll be the same with the deeper colors, and the deeper colors are a little bit more long lasting than the lighter ones. They are more water resistant as well, and I feel like these are really richly pigmented. Then we also have Golden Hour, which is something you must pick up. It's this beautiful champagne-y gold, a very warm tone gold that would work well with any eyeshadow that you have. Since it's in a pencil form, you can just scribble it very easily just on your eyelids and have like this halo effect. You can even wear it onto your inner corner, or you could wear it all over your eyelids. Last but not the least, we have Starry Night, and this is, as the name suggests, a very glittery black eyeshadow stick, and this has like silver flecks in it. So I feel like with black, silver metallic like pigments look really nice against like a dark background, and this is exactly what this is. And if you pair this with the matte black eyeshadow together, you get this beautiful smoky eye, which is very easy to achieve, like I mentioned already. The metallic eyeshadows are also very long lasting. Once you apply it, even if you try and rub it with your hands, it just does not budge. And it is slightly more water resistant than the matte eyeshadows. So once I sprinkled some water on it, of course nothing happened, and then when I started rubbing my hands, it did wear off, but not as quickly as the matte ones. The darker ones took a little longer to wash out completely with just plain water, and all of them, like the darker ones, did leave a stain on my hands. So be careful when you're using the darker ones on your eyes because they could stain. So those were all of the shades. They are available on Nykaa, and I've also linked them down below in the description box. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. I'd love to know. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.